Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter 7 World of Animals. In this chapter, we will see many animals and their senses. So, animals use their receptor to know about their surrounding. They use the sense of locate food and to sense danger and protect themselves. First of all, we see sense of smell. Dogs have a very strong sense of smell, which they use to locate food and sense danger. They help us in search and rescue operation because of their amazing sense of smell. Ants smell with their tin antennas. Snake and lizard keep flickering their tongues to detect scent particle in the air. Students, animals use their senses of smell more than human beings, especially when they search for their food. They track their prey by the sense of smell. Most of the insects use their antennas to smell odor. Ants use their antennas to smell sweet. Now see sense of touch. Cats and tigers can navigate even in the dark with the help of their whiskers. Fish can feel the changes in the water pressure with the help of sensory organs along the lateral line that runs through their head and trunk. A bird's tongue, palate and bills are more sensitive to touch. Students, animals like cat have long whiskers which are externally sensitive to touch and nearby movement. Whiskers are especially useful in dark places or at night when the animal cannot see. Fishes and frogs can sense the current in water with the help of their skin. This helps them to find out the direction in which they should move in water. Now, let's see sense of taste. Bees and butterflies have taste receptors on their feet. A shark has groups of taste buds inside the mouth and also on the front side of its snout. Children, animals are also able to taste the air that has a smell of food. A shark has groups of taste buds inside the mouth and also on the front side of its snout. Let's discuss sense of vision. Birds have a very keen sense of vision. Birds like eagle and hawks can locate a rat on the ground from high up in the sky. Owls can see very well in the low light and even in the dark. Nocturnal animals have a best night vision. These include cats, mice, rats, owls, etc. Student, birds are known for their vision. They have some of the best eyes among all the animals. An eagle can spot its prey from up to a mile. They have large bulging eyes. Eyes are one of the most important sense organs in the most of reptile. Sense of hearing. Hunting animals like tigers and leopards have a remarkable sense of hearing. They can hear even the faint rustling made by moving prey. The ear bones in the head of snakes help them to detect vibration of sound that are conducted through the ground. Snakes do not have external ear opening. Bats locate their prey by echolocation. They make rapid high-pitched sound called ultrasounds that help them locate both food and obstacles. So, student, bats are active at night. They have complex hearing sense. A snake has no external ear. Therefore, it does not hear the music of a snake charmer. Birds have a good hearing capacity. They can hear short wavelength. Sleeping differently. Animals also require rest and sleep. Different animals sleep differently. Most animals sleep with their eyes closed. Bats sleep hanging upside down from the branches of tree. Horse sleep while standing. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Student, like human, sleep is basic necessity of animals too. Animals too need to take rest and sleep. Horse sleep while standing. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. And bats sleep hanging upside down from branches of tree. Let's see useful animals. Some animals are very useful. We get many things from such animals. Like we get wood from sleep, we get oil from fish, we get silk from silkworm, we get honey from honeybees, we get eggs from hens and duck, we get milk from cows, buffalo, goats, and leather comes for skin of animals, cattle, snakes and crocodile. Now see, people who depend on animals. There are many people who depend on animals for their livelihood. Some of these are snake charmer, madari and mahouts. It is not wrong to use animals to earn a living, but it is wrong to keep them in cages or chains. They are even beaten mercilessly. In circus, animals are forced to danger act. Such things should be banned. Many people that are depend on animals for their livelihood. Some of their snake charmers, madari, mahouts, etc. In circus, animals forced to do dangerous act. Such things should be banned nowadays. Protection of wildlife. Wild animals are hunted for various things like fur, skin, bones, horns, teeth and other body parts. They are sold at high prices. It is legal to kill wild animals. Legal killing of animals for their body part is called poaching. And the people who kill the animals are called poachers. The thoughtless killing of animal has put the extinctance of some animal species in danger. Such animals are said to be endangered animals if the killing goes on at the same rate. The day is not for when they will disappear from the earth and would be extinct. Some of endangered animals are: we need to protect our wildlife. This can be done by setting up national parks and wild sanctuaries, by stopping others from killing animals, and putting a ban on the sale of products obtained from the endangered animals. Nowadays, we need to protect wildlife for getting fur, bones, horns, and some other body parts. Wild animals are hunted. These materials are sold at higher price. Poaching is legal killing of animals for their body parts is called poaching, and the people who kill animals are poachers. The killing of animals in a large quantity puts the animals in danger. Such animals are said to be endangered. We need to protect our wildlife. We can do it by setting national park, wildlife sanctuaries, and stop people from killing animals. Now we have finished this chapter. In our next class we will learn about any other things.